Welcome to Brown University Library. I'm Joe Meisel, University Librarian. This tutorial will give you a look at how the library works to support your work as students and emerging scholars. Being a student at Brown University means becoming an active participant in scholarly conversation and a creator of new knowledge. That's quite a responsibility, but you have a strong, steady partner in the library. Our mission as an academic library is to support teaching, learning, and research. We provide in-depth, specialized scholarly resources in all areas of interest to the university community. The library holds vast collections of print and e-books, scholarly journals, newspapers, data sets, images, streaming video, archives, manuscripts, and much, much more. You can also borrow from Ivy League and other academic libraries. The library is people resources. Library staff are available to answer any questions you may have about using the library. And for specific research questions, we have subject specialists in every area of study at Brown. They're available to chat, email, phone, or consult with you wherever you are in your work and wherever you are in the world. This is your library. We're here with the resources and expertise to support you as a student and scholar. We're looking forward to working together with you.